So let's look at section B. This section B is in Form 1 Chapter 7. We talk about linear inequality. So like what I said, with the dotted shaded, it means it is included with equal. Without the dotted shaded, which means by just a circle, it is without equal. Alright, so in this case, the P here has equal, but the Q without equal. So P has equal, Q without equal. So let's connect this. P has a equal, Q has a equal. So this is this. P and Q has no equal, so the answer is this. And the left one is this one. So 4 marks, very easy. So let's look at question 2. Question 2 shows a PQR parallel to STU, okay, PQR to STU, and also VQTW is a straight line. So in this case, this is from Form 1 Chapter 8. We are required to determine what is alternate, corresponding, and interior angle. So A and B, when we see that A and B here, and they are together in one box, if you can see, A and B, alright, and they are together, A plus B will give you 180 degrees, and we call this as interior angle because they are together at one box. Alright, A and D, so we can see that A and D is opposite. So you can see that A and D, so this is A, this is D. So it's like a Z, and both A and D will be equal angle, and we call this as alternate angle. Alright, and lastly, C and D. If you can see, C and D are also the same angle, and we call this as corresponding angle. Alright, so you need to know all these angle name and you will get 3 marks. The sum of two angles is 180, so the only sum is get 180 is interior angle, like what I say over here. So A and B is the answer. 1 mark. Question 3. It shows that there are 3 different polygons, and for each polygon has different angle. Alright, you know that this is 120 angle. This will be 180 minus 45, 135 angle. And this part is, you know that this side and this side is same, so this will be also 20. So it will be 180 minus 2 times of 20. It will be 140 degree. So let's look at the first one, A. Polygon A, to find the number of sides, we use n minus 2, alright, times 180, divide by n, you get 135. So in this case, we do not know what's n, alright, n minus 2 times 180 equal to 135n. So 180n times 1 by 1 minus 360 equal to 135n, and 180n minus 135n will equal to 360. So 180n minus 135n will give you 45n equal to 360. So n will be 360 divide 45 and divide 45. You will get 8. So the first one is 8. Go to the same formula, apply for the B. Alright, so n minus 2 times 180 over n equal to 120. So this time I will do a bit faster. So 180n minus 360 equal to 120n. 180n minus 120n equal to 360. 60n equal to 360, and n equal to 6. So this is 6. Alright, so if you can't do as fast as I am, do it slowly, don't worry. N minus 2 for the last one, 180 times 180 divide n equal to 140. So 180n minus 360 equal to 140n. 180n minus 140n equal to 360n. And 40n equal to 360. Okay, 40n equal to 360. And n will be 360 divided 40, and you will get 9. So the last one will be 9. Alright, so you will get 3 marks with this way. Maslan states that all polygons with all external angle 90 are regular polygon is a false statement. Why? Or why this is a false statement? Because all polygon, not all polygon, but all external angle with 90 degree are rectangle, but not all polygon. Okay, but not all polygon. All right. So give an example to support masala. So if you can see rectangle 90 degree in interior, external here will be also 90 degree. All right, only for rectangle or square. The best way is you write quadrilateral. All right. Next question. Question 4 shows the graph of a function and state the scale used at the y-axis. For y-axis, it is 2 cm to 5 unit. If you can see, one box is 2 cm and it's always 5 unit, 5 unit, 5 unit, and 5 unit. Go one by one. So 2 cm to 5 units. All right, 1 mark. So from the answer over here, we are required to find the value of x when y equal to 8. So y equal to 8, let's look at this. 6, 7, and 8. 8 is here, so draw a line toward this part. Okay, go down. This is 2.9, and from here, if you go down, this part, it will be negative 0.4. So the answer will be negative 0.4 and 2.9. You get 2 marks. All right. So same goes to the next one. Find the value of y when x is 3.5. So 3.5 is here. Go up to this line and then connected to this. So as we can see here, this will be 10, 11, 12, and 13. So y will be 13. All right, y will be 13. Next question, question 5. As we can see from this question, it shows a diagram with a right prism with a rectangular base down here. Right prism and rectangular base. Plane ABKGAGF is a uniform cross-section of the prism. Rectangle EFGH and IJKL are the horizontal plane at here. Alright, so these are the 4 different orthogonal planes. So the orthogonal plane of the horizontal plane as viewed from W. So from W, it means from up to down. You can see the square base on the below. Alright, it will be a square base on the below. But then when you go up one layer, it will be a square base on the top here and one rectangle base on here. So it will be a line like this. So it will be the answer R. For B, view from the X. So from the X, it will be on the right side here. So on the right side here, it will be a small rectangle first on the below. And then if you go one line behind, it will be a big rectangle that blocks the small rectangle. So this line will be a dotted line. So the answer is P. Okay, because the behind rectangle is blocked by the big rectangle in front. Now from the Y, so from the Y, it will be only one answer. As you can see, it will be in this shape. Alright, so it will be S. And lastly, it will be Q, because from the L, we can see the last part is a big rectangle. And then if you go one layer in front, it will be a small rectangle down here. Alright, so it will be Q. Alright, so by label all this alphabet, you will get 4 marks.